Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is NicoleClaire and let's get into it. Today I wanted to talk about some of my favorites that I've been enjoying in April, some of the things that I've been using for a little while that I've been able to test quite well, and I would just like to share them with you and let you know what type of skincare, hair care and just products in general that I'm really enjoying at the moment. So first I want to start with the Olaplex Perfector. This is such an amazing conditioner for my hair. I know that they generally use it for professional use, but I have just colored or highlighted my hair and my hair felt like straw and it was constantly getting knotty and was very irritating. So I decided, I've heard so many good things about this conditioner, so let me just try it. I did get the one that was specifically for highlights or colored hair, and what I do is I generally put this on about 5 minutes before I'm going to wash my hair. So I put this on dirty hair, let it sit for a while, and then I get into the shower and wash my hair. I bought quite the big bottle. It wasn't that expensive. If I don't use this conditioner with my hair and I just use the one eye shampoo, I do still feel that my hair is quite rough and quite straw-like. But if I put this on before I shower, it always makes a difference to my hair and it always feels soft after I use it. Then I actually have two toners that I want to talk about. The first toner, I would recommend that anyone could use this. It is, I've talked about this on my Insta stories before, and it is the Dermalogica Antioxidant Hydramist. It's just such a beautiful texture when you put it on the skin. It leaves the skin feeling so soft and smooth. So it actually acts as a barrier to help fight against free radical damage. And this is the collection from their Age Smart collection, because, you know, gotta keep us looking young. But it's just such a lightweight toner and it smells amazing, and it can be used on sensitive skin, it can be used before your makeup, and it can be used after your makeup as well. I generally put this on before I put anything else on for the day, so I'll wash my face, then I'll spray it with this, and it looks like this. So it's quite a thick mist, smells amazing, and I've had this for quite a couple months now, and I'm probably only about there through the bottle. So if you want something really lightweight that makes your skin feel amazing, I would definitely recommend this product. Then I spoke about the other toner. This is the Tarte Knockout Tingling Treatment. I bought this online in South Africa, and it's used to exfoliate, balance and minimize the appearance of pores. This toner is such a hectic toner. I should probably stop calling it a toner because it's technically not. You use it after you cleanse. It rebalances the skin, so it helps to renew and resurface the appearance of the skin. And for sensitive skin, I would not recommend this product. It is quite a hectic treatment for your skin. It doesn't really have a smell to it, but what I usually do is after I cleanse, if I'm still feeling like my face is not very clean, like if I have makeup on, I've double cleansed it, but I'm still feeling like it's not right, then I'll go in with a cotton pad, put it on the cotton pad, wipe it over my skin, and it just shows you how powerful this knockout treatment is. So I do, like I said, I do not recommend it for sensitive skin. It is quite harsh, and if my skin becomes red with it when using it, I can feel it tingle, so definitely not as sensitive. This one. Also, what I'm loving right now is sunblock. Even though I'm inside, I still do put this on under my moisturizer as habit. What I've been trying out for quite a while is the Drunk Elephant Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen, which is SPF 30, and it comes in a little bottle like this. I got this in a little box that I bought. I bought a whole little box of tested things for Drunk Elephant that I'm testing out, but this has been quite a favorite already so far. And it comes in, like, as you open it, it has an opening on the top, and you don't need to open it all the way. So you open it slightly and you push, and the sunscreen comes out the top. Or if you open it all the way, then it's actually quite a little brown substance. It dries down clear, so you don't see it at all on, there's no color difference on your skin. And the texture is quite smooth, so if I take it like that, I put it on my skin, and I'm just rubbing it in, and it dries down clear. So there's a little bit of a shine, but otherwise the skin is clear. But it doesn't smell like sunscreen, that's the only down. I really like the smell of sunscreen. I always recommend putting sunscreen on your face with your moisturizer or under your moisturizer or sometime in your routine. And next is, I'm not sure if it's quite a controversial product, but I think for the price, people are quite on the fence of whether they should buy it or not. But this product is definitely a personal preference kind of product. It's not a product that can really hype you up and you really want to buy it. because, like I said, it is expensive, but I love it. I love how this product makes my skin feel. I love how it makes my skin glow. And it is the Brightening Youth Glow Anti-Aging Color Correcting Glow Booster by Charlotte Tilbury. So you can have it just on your skin as it is, after your toner, after your cleanser, and just wear that as your no makeup during the day. I use it like that, so I just put this on my skin after my moisturizer if I don't want to wear anything on my face during the day. And to a lot of people, they don't see any difference, but I don't necessarily see any difference the first time I put it on. But I've been using this for quite a while, a couple months, and it's hardly even budged in here, so a little bit goes a really long way with this product. You take a few pumps of this product and you put it on your face, and it leaves a little bit of glitter over your face, so it looks like you constantly have a glow, which I love. It's just something I like. And it's the way it makes my skin feel after using it every day for a couple of months. You won't see any difference with this the first time you use it, except for a little bit of shine and a little bit of glitter on your face, which I understand why people would get annoyed of it because of the price. If you, like I said, if you want to use this product, I would use it over a couple months and you will see a difference. I did notice a difference in my pores when I put it on, and I did notice a difference in how my skin feels when I put this on. So this is definitely a favorite. It'll probably be a favorite for a couple more months or a year until it's finished, but I really love this product. I bought this product a little while ago, but I didn't really use it because I wasn't really into the powder highlights. I generally like liquid highlight. But this is a Too Faced Candelight Glow, and it is a highlighting powder duo. And inside it has like quite a white powder and a pinkish powder. And what I love about this product, I actually have it on my face today, but what I really like about it is it's just my go-to now. I use it every time I put my makeup on, and it's so easy to apply. I generally, if I want a more drastic highlight, I will obviously go for the whiter powder. But if I want something really subtle that I could put over a plain face, or just put over the Charlotte Tilbury for more of a glow, then I will use the pink one, which is such a subtle highlight, it's hardly noticeable on my skin. This product is not for people who want a hectic glow, because it won't give you, it is more of a natural looking highlight. So this is the white one, and this is the pink one. See, so I put it on my hand, it's so natural, it's barely even noticeable, which is how I like my products. Then sticking to powder products, the other product that I'm really enjoying is the Wet n Wild contouring palette. Looks like this. And it's in the color Caramel Toffee. And I actually don't use this to contour. So what I use this product for is I actually take the powder and I set my under eyes with it, or I put the powder on my face in places that I want to set and don't have lines in it. And then, to be honest, I rarely use this side unless it's for eyeshadow actually. So like I said, I don't use it as a contour palette at all. I use it as eyeshadow or as a setting powder, especially under my eyes and in places that I really don't want to crease. And it's on the more affordable side, so a lot of people can try this, and they definitely have a lot more color ranges, the Wet n Wild. When we're coming to taking our makeup off, my second last favorite is this little tester mascara takeoff that I got from Too Faced when I bought, I think, some other of their products. Using oil waterproof mascara dissolver, and when it says mascara dissolver, it literally dissolves my mascara. So the mascara that I use, it normally sets pretty well, and it actually takes a long time to come off. So when I sit with my wet wipe, sometimes I'll sit there and I'll try and take off this mascara between my fingers, and obviously it's doing damage to my eye by constantly rubbing and trying to get that mascara off. So what I do before taking all my makeup off is I'll take this mascara melt off and just put it on my eyelashes. I let it sit for a few minutes, and then I take my cloth and it just glides off. There's no rubbing, there's no hard, you know, really trying to get the mascara. It's just pretty simple, pretty easy. So I really recommend this product. I love this product. It's really small, but I've been using this for quite a while, and there's still so much left in the little bottle. The wand is actually a mascara wand, but it's like it actually looks like one of those things that the police carry. And then one of my last favorites is what I use at night before I go to sleep, and it is the Drunk Elephant T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. Mouthful. But yeah, so that's by Drunk Elephant. It has such good ingredients in it, and when I use this product at night, when I wake up in the, it looks like my face has had the best night's rest of its life, because it doesn't look like I'm puffy. It just looks like there's no lines on my face. After a long day, I will just put this on my face after I've cleansed, and it's really a beautiful nighttime serum. So the bottle looks like this, and you open it by twisting the top, and it comes out. It's quite a nice texture. And it's just a little bit goes such a long way with this product. Use the tiniest amount. You don't need to use a lot at night. And you just rub it in your face. It settles in so quickly. There's no tackiness after you've used it, which I hate. It's a bit more on the pricier side, but it's definitely a nighttime serum that I would recommend someone using if they really could. It's just a beautiful texture. It just makes my skin feel really nice in the morning, and it has amazing ingredients for your skin. Then, besides all the skincare and body products, I actually want to talk about something that is not related to anything like that. It is actually a pair of glasses that I've been obsessed with for, I think, almost a year now. It looks like this. Little pink rim. You can get it in all different colors. I actually got this from Amazon. And I get really bad headaches quite often, especially if I look into a screen for long periods of time. Actually watching Carte Blanche the one time, and I had a special on blue light glasses, and how actually after you go to bed after a certain time and you're looking at your phone, that if you keep looking at your phone and that blue light is coming into your eyes, that you're not actually getting to sleep when you should be, because your body takes a while after it sees blue light to go back to sleep, something like that. I'm not a doctor or anything. So these glasses protect you from that blue light. So when I'm working on my PC, I will wear these the whole day. It really does help me with my headache. I don't think it's a placebo effect, because I've been using this for months and my headaches have drastically dropped when I use these. They were pretty cheap. I'm not sure of ones that are in Cape Town that look like these. I know that we do have ones in Cape Town, but they look pretty industrial looking. I could be wrong, maybe they've changed now, but I highly recommend these if you get headaches. They come in, like I said, all different colors. When you wear them though, they do change things to slightly more orange, but it's not anything dramatic. Like, you're not going to be seeing the Oompa Loompas from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's just a slight change in color. So that's all that I have to say about it. Yeah, highly recommend. And that is it today for my April favorites. I hope some of these helped you, or that you could relate to some of these if you used them before. I had so much fun with you here today, and thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you again soon, and stay safe, make good choices. Bye.